Hello trader. The foreign exchange market, like everything else in the world, moves cyclically. A rise in price is always followed by a fall. The balance of power is constantly changing from buyers to sellers. Opening towards the current cycle, the trader makes a good profit. Correctly determine the direction or change of the current trend will help the Shaff Trend Cycle indicator. To start trading on the vfxAlert website, select the license that suits you. Or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. The strategy uses two technical indicators. Envelopes. A variant of building dynamic price lines for trading in a trend channel. On a rollback or breakdown of borders. Based on moving averages. The main idea is binary options trading signals on a dynamic price channel of 3 averages, within which the price moves most of the market time. Shaff Trend Cycle. Oscillator of market cycles. First, the value of the MACD oscillator is calculated, and then double smoothing is performed using the stochastic method. We receive accurate signals of a trend change with a minimum lag. It can be used as an indicator of overbought, level 75, and oversold, level 25. Good results on sideways trends of 50 to 60 points. After installing the tools, the terminal's working window looks like this. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Call option. The price is above the middle line, or envelope's border. The oscillator moves up or in the overbought zone above the level of 75. Put option. Opposite conditions. The price is below the middle line or envelope's boundary. The oscillator is going down or in the overbought zone below 25. And options with an expiration of 5 minutes. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal. Adaptive strategy vfxAlert. Euro dollar. The price is down with the doji reversal candle pattern. The trend is below middle level of envelopes. The oscillator and vfxAlert confirm the first put option. It is recommended not to trade during periods of low volatility. When the price movements end quickly, corrections and losses on signals begin. We always open up in the direction of the main trend. We do not trade on the output of strong fundamental news and statistics. Technical analysis stops working, the signals are false. The first option is profitable. The oscillator shows the continuation of downtrend. We recommend opening a deal on the second candle after the breakdown of envelopes lines. Expiration is coming soon, the price is far from the opening level. The oscillator is oversold. If the lower border of envelopes is broken, you can open another put option when confirming from vfxAlert. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Strong uptrend for the British pound. Trend cycle is in the overbought zone. While there are no signals for correction, open the call option. If you are going to trade majors, it is recommended not to open options during the Asian session, when the market is asleep. Average true range can be used as an auxiliary indicator. It shows well the cyclical growth and fall of volatility. The greatest volatility of the pound in the European session. It is decreasing on the American market, but there are price impulses that can be used to enter the market. The trend speed has decreased, there is time to expiration. The option is in profit. Continuation of the trend after the first pullback. Option in profit, expiration is coming. The second profit. We control the trend for the pound. On the pound after the first pullback continues uptrend. The oscillator did not reach the oversold zone. Confirming the second call signal on vfxAlert. It is recommended for beginners to open deals on trend reversals. Options are more risky to continue, the trend can end quickly. Especially on the pound, which goes for the euro, but turns faster. You can also make a profit on its corrections and expiration of 5 to 10 minutes. Look for reversal candlestick patterns, they will be a leading signal. A large candle in the direction of a trend and a positive expiration. Do not open on other pairs. Ends uptrend. We do not open more options for the pound. Wait for a downward reversal. Opening a deal, in the money. Profitable expiration. We look at the signals for other assets. Euro yen. There is no signal on envelopes for the beginning of the trend. Open option or wait for the end of the sideways movement. There are strong downtrend signals on vfxAlert and Trend Cycle. Let's open the second put option. In our strategy, the trend cycle parameters are like the standard MACD. They work well on small time frames and most currency pairs. It is better to start changing parameters with cycle periods. It filters out false MACD signals on high volatility. Also, the reliability of signals increases with the transition to higher timeframes, 30 minutes or more. Option Option in profit, waiting for expiration. Positive expiration, end the trading session. Closed at a loss. We will compensate for the following signals. Again the euro-dollar. Trend cycle shows downtrend. The price is below the envelope's average. You can open the third put option. If the expiration is profitable, we end the trading session. The Shaff Trend Cycle indicator is not available on all binary options sites. In our case, this is the Pocket Option Broker. If the platform does not have the necessary indicators, you can download it for free on the internet. Intraday strategy represents a rather reliable system of a conservative scalping for trade in the stable market. Parameters of trade tools can be changed according to the current volatility. Once again, we remind you that most profitable binary option signals will only be on trend areas. During the flat periods we remain out of the market. Strong downtrend, a deal, in the money. Most of the loss is compensated. There is a profit, it will not continue to trade. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than 50 minutes $80, plus of 9% to deposit. It is the very good result.